Hello, this presentation is about types of government. My name is Lola Jumaniazova, the teacher of Oregon State University. Let's talk about types of government. There are different types of government: democracy, republic, autocracy, totalitarian, oligarchy, and anarchy. The first one, democracy. Democracy is any type of government where power is held by all citizens. There are two types of democracy, direct and representative. Direct democracy. All citizens participate. No representatives. Citizens vote on issues. Representative democracy. All citizens participate. People elect representatives who vote on the issues. Representatives answer to the people and usually must follow the constitution. Republic. The government, which led by representatives of the voters, each is individually chosen for a set period of time. Example: the Republic of Uzbekistan. Autocracy. Autocracy is any society ruled by one person. The two most common forms of autocracy are dictatorship and monarchy. Dictatorship. Power is taken by force. Dictators have total control over the lives of the people. People have few fights. Example: Nazi Germany. Monarchy. Ruled by kings, queens, and other types of royalty. Power is passed along through the family. Example: France in the 15th and 16th century. Totalitarian. The government ruled by a single political party. Votes for alternative candidates and parties are simply not allowed. Citizens are allowed and encouraged to vote, but only for the government's chosen candidates. Example: the Republic of China. Oligarchy. There are two types of oligarchy. The first one, aristocracy, and the second one, theocracy. Aristocracy. Ruled by a small group of wealthy and well-educated citizens. Power is usually passed down within certain families. Theocracy. Ruled by a group of religious leaders. Religious law is used to govern. And the last one, anarchy. Anarchy is absence of government. There is no government to make or enforce laws. There is given the pictures of anarchy and the symbol of anarchy. That's all about the types of government. Good luck!